Hi guys, several of you have asked me about where to submit your materials. And so I just wanted to clarify that I'd like you to go ahead and submit your podcast and your reflection in the Project 3 assignment space. For some of you, the Project 3 assignment space may not give you enough memory to upload your podcast. So your podcast may be too big. If that's the case, here's what I'd like you to do. Give me a second. We're hanging out here with little Tyra. If that is the case, what I'd like you to do is come to this space in Office 365. You can go to OneDrive. If you're actually in your email, you can find OneDrive by clicking here on the app launcher and selecting OneDrive here. You can then upload your podcast to OneDrive. And once you've uploaded your podcast here, so again, you'll just click upload. And once your podcast appears in the file list, you can click on these three little dots at the end of the file and share. You'll then share with me. Maybe not. There we go. You can share your file with me. And if you click send, then it'll notify me. Another way that you can do it is say anyone with link. This is just like Google. So you set your specific settings, apply, and then you can send me the link to the file. You can access the link to the file by clicking copy link. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Thanks, everybody.